If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Douugh, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Open the Douugh app. Launch the Douugh app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, locate the Transactions section in the app. This is where you can view all your recent and pending transfers. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Scroll through your transactions to find the pending transfer you wish to cancel. It should be clearly marked as pending. Step 4. Select the transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the transfer is cancelled successfully. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on Douugh. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Dough's customer support for further assistance.